Today we're going to go over decimal orders of operations. So we're going to combine all 4 operations for decimals and then combine that with orders of operations. Remember, adding, subtracting decimals, we need to line up the decimals. Multiplying, we need to count the digits after decimal points, and then that's how many times we move the decimal point. And for division, we need to multiply the divisor by a factor of 10, so it's a whole number, and do the same thing for the dividend. Okay, number 1. Here I have addition and exponents. So according to orders of operations, I have to do exponents first. This is not 8.3 times 2. This is 8.3 times itself. So 8.3 times itself. Whoa, did I just wrote 2? 8.3 times itself, so 2 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. Add a 0 because I'm on my tens digit now. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus the 2 is 60. 66. Add this up. I get 9, 8, 8, 6. I have 1, 2 digits behind decimal points. So I move my decimal point twice. Here, the digits happen to be lined up, but you don't need to. So just make sure you move it twice. So now this becomes 68.89. Next up, we have addition, right? So we have to add this. This is 68.89. With addition, subtraction, we need to line up the decimals. 6.7. I'm going to fill in the blank with a 0. 9 plus 0, 8 plus 7 is 15. That's 15 again, and 7. So my answer is 75.59. Moving on to the next one. Here we have exponents, subtraction, and division. So again, I want to do exponents first. That's going to be 8.5 times itself, so times itself twice. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus the 2 is 42. Add a 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 4 is 68. 5, 2, 12, and 7. Again with 1, 2 decimal points. So 1, 2. So this becomes 72.25. Next up, we have subtraction and division. So orders of operations as we have to divide next. So we do 7.2 is the dividend, and 1.6 is the divisor. The divisor has 1 decimal point, so I need to multiply by 10, or move the decimal once to the right, which means I do the same thing on the dividend as well, and put the decimal on top. Okay, 16 goes into 72. 4, 5, 4. Let's try 4. 16 times 4 is 24. 64, yeah. Okay, so 4, 64. I subtract, I get 8. Okay, so bring down 0. Pretty sure that's 5. 3, 0, 5, yeah. So 5 times 16 is 80. And that's it. So, well, no, that's not it, but that's that. Next up, we have subtraction, right? So I need to do 72.25. Again, I'm subtracting, so I need to line up my decimals. 4.5. Fill in this blank with a 0. I'm subtracting. 5 minus 0. 2, I need to borrow. This 2, I also need to borrow, so it becomes 11. And 6, 7, 6, and then the next number after 6, and then 6. So this answer would be 67.75. And the last, oh my god. Here we have a number next to parentheses, so that means this is multiply, subtract, add, exponent, but this is all in a parentheses. So we have to do subtraction and addition first inside this parentheses. Subtraction and addition have the same priority, so we go left to right. So my first thing is this. 5.4 minus 3.4, again subtracting, adding, we need to line up our decimals, and this one's really nice, it's just 2, and then we need to add 2.0, 1.5, 5, 3, so that's going to be 3.5. I'm going to rewrite this as 1.2 parentheses 3.5 squared. Next we have multiply here, because implied multiplication or exponents, so we do exponents. And then that's going to be 3.5 times itself. 5 times 5 is 25, 3 times 5 is 15, plus a 2 is 17, add a 0. 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Add this up, we get 5, 12, 2, and 1. Count the decimals since we're multiplying. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this becomes 12.25. And parentheses 1.2. So lastly, this implies multiplication when a number is next to a parentheses. This one has 2 digits, this one has 4, so I'm going to put the 4 on top because I think it's less column or less rows, but it's your choice. 12.25, 1.2. Again, I do not need to line up the decimals because we're multiplying. That's only for adding and subtracting. 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm going to multiply by the tens digit, so I need to add a 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 again, and 1 times 1 is 1. This is 0, 10, 6, and then that number after 6, 4, 1. With 1, 2, 3 digits after decimal point, so I need to move it 1, 2, 3 times. So the final answer is 14.7. All right, good luck on your practice.